Where to anticipate trades. AM session. At 8:30 a.m. Eastern Time, news or embargo lifts when high or medium impact news is released. At 9:30 a.m. Eastern Time, when U.S. equities markets open. At 10 a.m. Eastern Time, after the first 30 minutes, sentiment is established. Think Judas swing. Okay, sometimes it'll form there. In other words, what I'm saying is, if you're looking for the setup, start looking at it around 8:30. It can form early. Then at 9:30, if it hasn't formed yet. If it hasn't formed at the 9:30 hour with the immediate Judas swing at 10 o'clock, that time window, then start hunting it again. In other words, you're continuously looking at the clock and you're gauging, has it formed yet? Has it formed yet? Each one you're going through expecting it to form. At 10:30 a.m. Eastern Time, after the first 60 minutes, opening range is established. So you have that first hour's trading that's going to be influential throughout the rest of the day and potentially the rest of the week. Hint, hint, nudge, nudge. There's something for you to mine right there. So at 10:30, if it hasn't formed yet, that's kind of like the last opportunity for it until we get to 11 a.m. Eastern Standard Time. On days of the week that offer conditions for market reversals, that would be Thursday and Friday. So in other words, I'm not really excited about taking 11 o'clock setups unless it's Thursday, Friday, and we might be having TGIF conditions where it comes back into the weekly range. Or we're looking at a longer term market reversal. It's gone up to a shorting opportunity on a higher time frame, and long-term higher time frame, we're looking to go lower. I could use that 11 o'clock to get in sync with what is typically referred to in our group as the London close time. So there's a lot of factors that treat that 11 o'clock as a market reversal. So if it's setting up at 11 o'clock, chances are, not all the time, but chances are, if it's day of the week, Thursday or Friday, that could be a market reversal profile unfolding and then leading into TGIF. PM session. At 1:30 Eastern Time, when New York lunch volume completes and volatility returns intraday. At 2 o'clock Eastern Time, when PM trends start to unfold and potential AM stops are purged. Could be the lunch hour stops as well. At 2:30 p.m. Eastern Time, when the final 2 hours of trading begins. That's speaking of the day session for New York trading. At 3 p.m. Eastern Time, final hour of day session trading ends for New York. And 3:30 Eastern Time, market on close conditions begin. These last two, if you are a very, very proficient scalper, and you're working with 30-second and 1-minute charts, you can find this setup just about every single day in the last hour of trading. It's going to demand a high level of precision and nimbleness that most of you probably don't have yet, but it's something you can mine and study. Okay, I do a lot of really ultra short-term trading in that last hour of trading on the index futures. And literally, there's a lot of wonderful explosive price action moves that occur in that last hour of trading. But here is these elements that work towards breaking down your day. You're not going to get a setup, obviously, every single one of these. You're working through the day, saying, okay, at 8:30 in the morning, I'm looking for it to set up. If it doesn't set up, I'm waiting for 9:30. And at 9:30, I'm waiting for it to set up. It doesn't, I'm going to wait until 10 o'clock. So it gives me that, patience. I'm waiting for the algorithm to key off of these times. These times are based on what I'm showing you here. Now, with everything else I've taught you with algorithmic theory, these are the times that are highly specific to index futures and what it's leaning on, okay, as to why or what's the catalyst behind it.